Hey guys, it is Pyromania here. Welcome to this little series that I'm starting on the channel. It is basically like a tutorial series to teach you guys how to do HTML and CSS, which are um, programming languages to build web pages. So I'm here in Visual Studio Code. This is my preferred program to use when coding. Link to the download can be found in the description below. So without further ado, let's get started with the homepage. I do not yet have this FTP account, and I do not have a domain name yet, but that will be coming in one of the future episodes because my hosting server has a unscheduled server maintenance. You see? We expect to have everything fixed within 24 hours. So it'll be done by tomorrow, I think. I don't know. But without further ado, let's get straight into coding. So let's go to File, New File. It'll create this file called Untitled 1 or 2 or 3. Depends on how many untitled projects you have. So let's save it immediately to my USB stick thingy. I don't know how to call it though. Let's go with a new one, which will be pyromania.co.nf. Oh, I just fired it. And another new map, which will be the home. Then we will call this index. You always need to call your homepage index because it'll tell the server to go to that specific page whenever starting up, whenever a visitor enters your website. So let's save it. So as you can see now above here, you can see index.html. So we are going to use HTML and CSS for my web pages. So without further ado, let's get started with the HTML opening tag. You always need to open the code with a HTML tag. It'll tell the code that you are programming with HTML and nothing else, except for like CSS or something. I don't know. Then let's go with a head. The head basically represents oh god, let me think. The head tag represents like the title or the internal CSS and doesn't show on the web page. But like I I can't really think of it right now. Don't worry. Title tag always shows like this title tag is biz.nf hosting. This is new tablet. But if we go to like I don't know for example, we use Google. Then above here you can see Google. You see? That is the title tag. So let's go with home with a uppercase letter. Home Pyromania. And then a closing title tag, which always has a little slash in front of it. because otherwise the whole page will be inside of the title tag, and yeah, we don't really want that. Then you have a empty page. So let's go with style. This closing tag of style. This is the tag to tell the code that you are going to work with internal CSS. Okay, then a closing head tag, then a opening body tag. Now this is where your page will be shown. Okay, will show itself. So let's go with h1 class is welcome. I'm working with classes because of reasons. I think it's a very good way to work with them, with HTML. And a class basically is whenever, wait, like when we are coding with CSS, you always do h1 and then a curly brace. But with classes, you can specify how to you can. Oh shit. Wait a second, I'll be right back, I'll think of this. Alright, so classes are used to specify like one piece of text. Like if we do h1.welcome and then color green or something, I don't know. If we do h1 class is welcome and then do welcome to the official website of Pyromania /h1, then we will go into the preview. I hope it will load though. Let's first save it then. Look at that. Now our text is green. But if we do like a normal h1 called test, then go to the preview, it'll be white or black in a normal browser. And that's basically what classes are used for. So let's delete this as well. So let's go with HTML first and do a horizontal line, which is HR slash. The slash behind means that there's no opening or closing tag. And then let's go with a div. Well, the div element has no meaning at all. It represents its children. Blah 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 blah. So the div has no special meaning at all. You know, you can do some crazy stuff with it. It's widely used in here. Class is div class is container. Now here is where we are starting. Class is second welcome. This is a h2 tag, which means it is still a heading, but a smaller heading. Welcome to Pyromania's website /h2. Let's go with another horizontal line, and we will need to delete that horizontal line though. So we have a horizontal line over here. Then I'm gonna make a table. The table tag represents like just a table. And you can do some crazy stuff with it to make it look a bit more professional, you know. So let's go with TR, which is a table row tag, and then TH, which is a table heading. Okay, so now that we've got that, I certainly need a preview for this. I don't know. No, I don't need a preview for this. How about I don't know. I actually don't know just yet. Wait, I do know actually. Alright, so here I am at my own video right now. It's welcome to my channel. And oh, cancel. And we are going to use this video in our own website. So let's click share, empt, and copy it and then paste it here. Alright, so now that we've got the now that we've got the video in here, let's go with another table heading, then like a paragraph. Paragraphs are always indicated with just a single P. So, let's get straight into a bit of text. Welcome to my website. Very inventive, Pyro. Very inventive. Wait a second. Welcome to my website. I am Pyromania, a very small YouTuber who likes to entertain people. Who likes to entertain people, and a bit more, bit more, bit more, bit more. BR/. This basically means that I'm going to create a breaking line. It tells the code to make a new line of text. Like in Microsoft Word, if you use the enter button, like a new line of text is available for you. That's basically like it, but with BR, you know? It doesn't make any sense what I'm telling you, but trust me, it works. I am 17 years old and live in the Netherlands. Then a /p/th, then a /tr, and a new table row. Then we are going to use the TD, which is a data cell in a table. Wait. B class is YP if we can use the H4. Class is channel trailer. Channel trailer. Alrighty then. Oh, I forgot to do a closing table data cell tag. B class is channel trailer. Then we will need to here is my channel trailer. If you'd like to watch it, go ahead. Make sure to subscribe though. And I can tell that I did a horrible thing wrong right now. Wait. Just like that. There we go. That's a lot better. Let's go to the preview again. Alright, so scripts has been disabled in this document. And I don't have a design just yet, by the way. But I forgot something else though. Something really important is a navigation bar. Yes, we will need a navigation bar in this, guys. So, as you can see, I use the nav tag, a UL tag, which is an unordered list, and a LI tag, which is a tag used for the unordered list. LI href is index.html. Oh, and we need to put down a class is active. Alright, just like that. Home. Then we will need another li, and then a href is about me.html, which will be coming in a future episode about me. Lia href is oh, wait. I lost it here. I'm sorry. Href is wait. For now, I'll do coming soon.html. And then li style is we have an error right now. I float right background color. What should the background color be? I think I'm gonna use something purplish. like magenta. Yeah, let's use magenta for now. I farted again. Oh wait, I totally forgot about Ahref is contact me.html. Contact me. Then we will need to put a closing unordered list and a closing nav tag. There we go. Now we need to put down the CSS for the navigation bar. So, but first let's go with body. The background color will be dark red. Then we will need to do... How did I do this again? Wait a second, guys. Alright, I've got a little preview over here. This is another project that I was working on. So let's start with the unordered list. List style type should be none. So it'll hide the bullets in front of the unordered list. I need to look at this. Wait a second. Margin and padding. Margin should be 0. Padding should be 0. I need to look this more often than I hoped, actually. Overflow is hidden. Then we will need a background color. I think I will be using royal blue. Then we will need the li. Float. We need a float property. Float left. LIA. I'm sorry that I have to look at this more often, but alright, so display block, and I lost it again. You know what? I'm just going to copy and paste this. So just like that, and then over here we will need to put down a border left, which is gonna be 1 pixel solid and black. Just like that. And instead of a black color, let's try the white color. Okay, so up next we will have LIA hover, background color. What should the background color be? When we hover over it. Hover over, yeah. I like chocolate though. Nah, let's not do chocolate. Let's do cyan. Yay, cyan. Then like after that we will need to put down a.active background color should be. What should it be? I'm really bad with colors. I'm sorry. Tomato? Yeah, let's go with tomato. So let's take a look at the preview. Then we have like this little thingy. Yeah, I like this. I like this very, very much. So let's go further with this. Now that we've got a navigation bar, I don't need the index anymore of the other side. td /td, then a /tr, and a /table. Then we will need another table with a table row and a table heading. H4 class is, now let's just do the H4 right now. Who am I? Then another table heading and another H4, another text heading. What do I do? I'm just copying another website that I built, that I'm currently building, but with other colors. What do I do? How do I do that? Ending of the table row, another table row, and a table data. P I am Steven, aka Pyromania. BR breaking thingy majigger. I am a small YouTuber, very addicted to paladins. More information can be found. Ahref is about me.html here. Alright, so another table data cell, another paragraph. What do I do? Since I am a YouTuber, all I basically do is record, edit, and upload. That's very small, but okay. How do I do that? I record with Bandicam. It's Bandicam at the moment. I will be going to OBS soon. I don't know when yet though. I record with Bandicam, edit the video, and record the final result to my YouTube channel. Just like that. Now that we have completed this part of the table, do I need anything else? Yeah, I do. H4. What H4? H1. Class is grade stay. I hope you'll have a great stay here on my website. /div/body and /html. Now that we have got the HTML done, we are going further with the CSS. So let's go further with h1 dot not active but welcome. I want the color to be white. I want the text align to be centered, so the text will be aligned to center, and I want it to be bold, so font weight then 900, which is very bold. Alright, now we need div.container. Alright. Background color is white. Margin will be auto. And I needed something else also. Border 2 pixels solid black. Alright, now that we've got that, let's check it out for now. It'll probably be very ugly. Yeah, you see? Oh wait, I forgot to put down the height, which will be 913.78. I'm sorry, pixels. And then the width will be 912 pixels. At least I thought it was it. Yeah, just like that. That's cool. That is cool. I like it. So now that we've got that, let's go and do h2.second welcome. Let's go with color purple for once. Nah, I don't need purple just yet. Wait, how about, what was it again? Magenta. It was magenta. Then I need the text align to be centered. And I will need the um, the font size. Font size basically means the bigger the better. No, font size is to adjust the size of the specific piece of text. So let's go with 15 pixels for this. At least I thought it was 50. Yeah, it was. What do we need next is a font weight again, which will be 700. Then after that, we will need to put the paragraphs to black. Oh, oops. Color black. I will be using more things later. This is just some basic stuff. And alright, so then after that we will need to put down H4, which will target all headings, which will be the color of magenta again. And then the font weight will be like 500. So, did I forget anything? Yeah, I did. H1.grade stay. Then we need to put the font size will be coming later. Color magenta. Font weight will be 900. Font size. How about 80 pixels? That is a little too big. So I need to put this in a bit more, like 1015 maybe. 1030. No, not 1030. How about 1100? Not even that is big enough. Wait. Let me think. Um, 1160. That'll be 1200. I said 1100. Yes, alright, that's nice. We also need to build a footer, but I'll do that in a future video. So, text align should be center. Yeah. Then font size. How about 30 pixels? Or is that a bit too big? How about doing this one towards 1500? I hope that'll be enough. Oh, that's a lot more than I expected. 1400. 1350. Yeah, you need to work with this. You. So that'll be the first video. Oh, we need to make that a bit bigger. Wait a second. H1.welcome. Font size will be 100 pixels. I think. No, not 100. How about 60? Not 600. Yeah, just like that. How about that? And then we will need to put this text align to center. So feel free to use my little design for the website. I don't mind at all. So as scripts has been disabled in this document, we can't see the video in here just yet. But it'll be, yeah. Wait, this needs to go a bit lower. Just a bit, little bit. How about we will put it over here? Look at that. This is a lot better. This is a lot better. Alright, so that'll be the end of this video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, then definitely crush that like button. Subscribe as well. Then I will check you guys to the next video.